10 months into 2024, and I'm having a lot of people ask me what's going on with the market right now. So I wanted to give a quick update today in October of 2024, where the market stands right now. So we're still technically in a seller's market, in overall market. Some areas are seeing more of a flat market, still a seller's market. The average time on the market is between 30 and 40 days here all along the Wasatch Front. Average home price really has stayed pretty flat this year, with, they say, a 0.5% increase overall. And so anybody thinking about selling is in a good spot. We can sell. Homes are selling really well. Buyers are getting some concessions as far as closing costs, negotiating some. Always a home warranty seems to be an easy one to negotiate. But when it comes to other things, deep discounts, we're not seeing it because there's still a lack of inventory in the market. Now, inventory has been really low since 2020. Actually, even before 2020, we were rather low. But since last year, we've seen an 18% increase in inventory along the Wasatch Front, still putting us in a really low inventory spot. So if you have any real estate specific questions about your neighborhood, about your house, or an area that you're looking at, feel free to reach out here. Call, text me, email me. Happy to be a help. Thank you.